Good morning to all. I am Josephine Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with the CA, JJ College, Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Today discuss about this topic, marketing. Marketing definition. Marketing is the process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion and distribution of ideas, goods and services to create exchange that satisfy individual and organizational goals. It is an art and science of choosing target market hitting, keeping and growing customer through creating a delivering and communicating superior customer values. Next one, the marketing functions. First one, the market planning. Second one, product and services management. Third one, distribution. Fourth one, pricing. Fifth one, promotions. Sixth one, selling. Seventh one, market information management. Eighth one, financing. Ninth one, risk management. What do you mean by market planning? Identify and understanding the markets. Product. Design and development of products and services that will satisfy customer needs. Distribution. Getting product services to customer include determining the best procedure to be used to prospective customer can locate a product. Pricing. Establishing the value of a product services. Promotion. Communicating information to customer to information perceived to remind them about a company or its products. Selling. Direct, personal and purposive communication with the customers. Market information management. Obtaining, managing and using market and customer information. Financing. Budgeting for the business and providing financial assistance to customer. Risk management. Providing security for products, building, equipment, inventory, employees and customers. Next one, 5 market concept. The product concept, the selling concept, the market concept, the social market concept, the protection concept. First one, product concept. The product concept is a description of a product or services at an early stage in the product life cycle. Second one, selling concept. Selling concept is the selling concept called the idea consumer will not buy enough the firm's product unless they undertake the large scale selling and promotion effort. Market concept. The marketing concept is the use of a marketing data to focus on the needs and wants customer in order and wants to customer in order of developing marketing strategy that not only satisfy the need of the customer but also accomplish the goals of the organization. Social market. The social market in the concept called that the organization task into the determining the needs wants to undertake the target market and deliver in the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently the competitions. Production concept. Production concept is a belief the status that customer would always require product which cheaper and more the readily available. Next one, what is a marketing mix? Mix is an important concept of a marketing management. The main aim of every business organization is to earn and maximize its profits. For doing so, they consider the 4 factors: product, place, promotion, and price. Known as a marketing mix, they are also known as a 4 pieces of the marketing mix. Next one, what is a product life cycle? All products have certain length of life during which they pass through certain identifiable stage. The product life cycle conceptual representation of product aging process. Like your life is delivered into stages, same as life a product is also divided. Product start with the introduction in the market for the purpose of sale. The demand of the product gradually increased the market. It reached to the maximum for where the start declining it effective lives the product. Definition of the product life cycle. According to Philip Kotler, the product life cycle is an attempt to reconstruct the distinct stages in the sales history of the product. William J. Stanson. The product life cycle concept is the explanation of the product from its birth to death as a product exceeds different stages and different competitive environments. Stages of product life cycle. There are 4 stages of product life cycle. First one, introduction stage. Second one, growth stage. Third one, maturity stage. Fourth one, decline stage. First one, introduction stage. It is the first stage wherein the product is launched in the market with full scale production and marketing programming. The product is new one. It means product that open up an entirely new market, replaces an existing product, significantly broadens the market for an existing product. In this stage, sales growth at very low rate because it is not an effective demand. Second one, growth stage. Once the market has accepted the product, sales begin rise and product enter the second stages. The product achieves considerable and widerable approval in the market. The sales and profit increase and accelerate rate. In this effective distribution, advertising and sales promotion are considered as the key factors. Third one, maturity stage. Market becomes stable because the household demand is satisfied and distribution channels are full. The product has to face keen competition which brings pressure on prices. Third, the sales of the product rises but a lower rate. Profit margin, however, declines to keen competition. Fourth one, decline stage. This is the final stage. Sooner the later, actual sales begin to fall under the effect of a new product, competition and changing consumer behavior. The sales and profits fall down sharply and the promotional expenditure has to be cut down drastically.